Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the plane detailer here, my good buddy.
The red-bearded detailer.
And behind me we have a Citation 560 XL that we're going to be doing a polish, a ceramic coating, and we're going to also be doing the Brightwork and an interior detail on. Come check this out. Hey there fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep in the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, a proud owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a trainer for the Aircraft Detailing Association, known as the ADA, where we are passionate about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time. Welcome to the journey. As we're looking at the paint of this plane here, we do see that as you can look at the light, it is very dull looking. It's not a very crisp looking light. And that's just because the plane's paint is very, very oxidized. Oxidation is a natural process that occurs when the paint on your aircraft is exposed to the elements over time. You might notice a dull, chalky appearance on the surface of your aircraft. This is a sign that oxidation has started to set in. Our test spot is now done. It's going to be our yellow wool and our heavy cut compound. This was our medium cut compound in the yellow wool. And you can see we still had a little bit of haze in here, so we went ahead and stepped up to our heavy coarse compound in our yellow wool pad. So we liked the clarity of the finish. Coming over to our Brightwork here, we have great results using our Striker and our Maverick on our pad. Day 2, we're back on the Citation 560 XL. It is a brisk 36 degrees in Columbus, Georgia right now, so I'm all bundled up trying to stay warm here. We got half the fuselage polished yesterday. We got the tops of all the Brightwork polished yesterday as well. We're going to get the engine inlets done and continue polishing the fuselage, prep it, and start coating. Alright guys, we have our ceramics here. It is 49% humidity and it's 56 degrees here in Columbus, Georgia right now. I'm going to show you guys how much of a working time that we have with our ceramics here. So take our applicator pad, apply a nice little bit to our applicator pad here. Load this pad up here. Now I'm going to show you on the red and black section of the plane so you can really see what I'm talking about here. We're going to go do a test spot right now. Right here. Go ahead and start our timer, so we can see how long it's going to take us to let this coating flush out. We're at 1 minute and 58 seconds right now. There's no sweat beads at all yet. We're still waiting for the ceramic to kind of separate and go into lines. There is no lines forming yet. Then after the lines, we wait for the sweat bead. So we still have plenty of time for this coating to still keep going.
We are at the 6-minute mark now. 6-minute mark now, guys. And now I'm starting to see the sweat beads that I want to see for me to start leveling out this coating here. See all up here. Now we have sweat beads. Now we can level. Alright guys, we are wrapping up this project here. This is our Citation 560 XL. We had a lot of oxidation on here, some oxidation in the Brightwork. We had to polish this out, 2-step correction to remove a lot of the oxidation on here. We had to polish the Brightwork as well. And now, it's 3.5 days later, and we are all finished up here. Kenny and Daniel got here Wednesday while I was flying here. They got the plane clean and prepped, ready to go. And then we got here Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're finishing up now, and I fly back home in the morning. So check it out. It's good.